let's talk about something that's, a huge part of growing up, but is usually surrounded by a whole lot of confusion. Bras. It's one of those things you're kind of just expected to figure out, but nobody ever really hands you the instruction manual. And that feeling, it comes straight from our source material. It's that super common experience of trying to navigate something important all by yourself and just wishing someone had given you a guide. Well, guess what? Consider this that guide. That's the big question, isn't it? I mean, you walk into a store and it's just this wall of different styles and sizes and fabrics. It can be totally overwhelming. So think of this explainer as your personal roadmap to figuring it all out. Okay, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of measurements and all that, let's start with the basics, because understanding why and when is going to help you make all the right choices down the line. So why are bras even a thing? Well, it's not just about how they look. A bra is a functional piece of clothing, and it's designed to support really delicate breast tissue. Getting that proper support is crucial when you're developing, not just for comfort and confidence right now, but it can also help with shape and prevent issues later on. And what about the timing? Experts often say around 11 or 12 is a common age. But here's the thing. Everybody develops at their own pace. The most important thing is your comfort. You don't have to jump straight into some complicated structured bra. Soft options like sports bras or camisoles, they're a perfect first step. Okay, this next part might seem a little technical, but I promise you it is way simpler than it looks. Once you get the two key parts of a bra size, everything else just clicks into place. So a bra size isn't just one single measurement. You got to think of it more like a team of two working together. You've got the band and you've got the cup. Getting both of them right is the real secret to a perfect fit. Let's break this down. That number, like a 32 or 34, that's your band size. It's the measurement all the way around your torso. Then you have the letter A, B, C, and that's your cup size, which is all about volume. That's why a 32A and a 32B have the exact same band, but the B cup just has more volume. Understanding this? It's a total game changer. Honestly, this is the best advice for anyone just starting out. Getting measured by a professional takes all the guesswork out of it. They're literally trained to find your perfect size and can even suggest styles that'll work best for you. It's a smart shortcut to getting it right the very first time. Okay, so you've got your starting size. Now what? Let's build a really practical checklist you can actually use when you're in the dressing room. First up, fabric. For everyday, all-day wear, cotton is your best friend. It's breathable, it's comfortable, and it's just so much healthier for your skin. You can save those other stylish synthetic fabrics for special occasions. When it comes to what you wear day in and day out, comfort is king. Okay, here is a brilliant pro tip. When you buy a new bra, it should fit you perfectly on the loosest hook. Why? Because the elastic in bras naturally stretches out over time. So if you start on the loosest setting, you can tighten it as it gets older, which will make your bra last so much longer. Now for the fit checks, and we're starting with the most important part, the band. Believe it or not, the band provides something like 80% of the bra's support. Yeah, 80%. That's why getting this part right is absolutely crucial. So when you look in the mirror, turn around and check your back. The band should be perfectly level, making a straight line all the way around. If it's riding up your back, that's a sign it's too big and it's not giving you the support you need. This is especially important for strapless bras, where the band is doing all the heavy lifting. All right, next up, the cups. Let's make sure they're doing their job correctly. A good cup fit is all about making sure everything is contained and creating a nice smooth shape under your clothes. A perfect cup fit means you're smoothly and fully contained in there. You shouldn't have any spillage over the top or on the sides, but on the flip side, you also don't want any gaping or empty space in the cup. It should really feel like a secure, comfortable hug. And finally, let's talk about the straps. Now, a really common mistake is thinking the straps are supposed to do all the work. But as we just learned, that's the band's job. Your straps are really just there to keep everything stable. They should sit nice and comfy on your shoulders without digging in and leaving those painful red marks. If you find yourself having to tighten them so much that they hurt, that's a huge sign that your band is actually too big and isn't doing its job. So you've found the perfect bra. That is fantastic, but the journey isn't quite over. Let's talk about a few super simple habits that are really key for your health and for making your bras last a lot longer. Try to get into this habit. Rotate your bras daily. The whole idea is to avoid wearing the same bra 2 days in a row. This gives the elastic a full day to rest and recover its shape, which makes it last way longer. Plus, it's just more hygienic and helps prevent any skin irritation. This question comes up all the time. Should you wear a bra when you go to sleep? Well, the medical advice on this one is actually pretty clear. For the most part, yeah, doctors recommend sleeping without a bra. It just gives your skin a chance to breathe and can even improve circulation. At the end of the day, quality sleep is all about being comfortable, and being free from any restrictive clothing can definitely help you get a much more restful night. Whew, we have covered a lot of ground, right? From the why and the when to all those little details of fit and daily habits. But all of this information really points to one central, important idea. Because at the end of the day, this is what it's all about. Finding the right bra isn't just about following a bunch of rules. It's an act of self-care. It's about choosing to be comfortable and giving your body the support it needs so you can feel confident every single day. So make your comfort a priority. It absolutely should be.